Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's May 15th and we're out here in the Victory Garden, and boy, we got us a batch of green beans and a few squash. We did pick a few cucumbers. I don't normally do harvest videos. I get so wrapped up in harvesting I don't take the time to do a video. But anyway, the green beans are putting on, squash have been putting on. We've been harvesting quite a bit, and it won't be long. We'll have a lot of other vegetables from here because we got some tomatoes coming on there, and we got some beets here, nice big beets. This one here's got up to about probably 3.5 inches now. It needs to be taken out, and I think maybe we'll freeze dry some of these. But anyway, I hope you like this update. If you want to see more, you know what to do. Enjoy that gardening experience and start your victory garden.